like the sound effects. What is up, everybody? We get a lot of random emails from companies that say, hey, we have this product. Would you like to open it up on your channel? Because London has so much love for unicorns. This is one that I said, yes, go ahead, send it on over. So this company sent us 3 of these products that are pretty interesting. We got a horse and 2 unicorns. Check it out. So this one's the horse, which we have a little nephew that lives by us that's 3 years old, and I think he'll like this one. And then I guess this company's called Pony Cycle. So apparently you can ride these ponies and unicorns. So we're gonna test it out. Let them ride it and see if they like it. London, of course, if you know her well, she's in love with unicorns. So she has unicorn clothes every day that she wears. Unicorn bows, unicorn socks, everything. This one, it looks like that, I think. Hopefully you don't have to put this thing together because I'm not good at building things. We'll just take it out of the box and see. But that girl looks like she's having fun. All right, let's take these inside and see what they think. Yeah, are you ready?
Hey, Daddy.
You want your present?
Yeah.
It's, okay, open it up.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, open it up. What's the matter?
I can't take off the tape
What?
too. Want me to help you?
Okay.
Take off the tape.
There you go. Oh, Brooks, you got this. Wait, first of all, do you like riding horses?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh no, they shipped it without the head. Okay, here we go. Let's get this thing out of here. This is our horse. This one's going to be yours, Brooks. Oh man, it's actually really nice. The quality seems pretty good.
It's so soft.
It's really soft.
It's like an actual horse.
Oh, it's so nice. There's the head. It looks like this head is a zippered on. A lot of the stuff that we get is not that great of quality from China, but this one seems pretty good. Like the inside of the head is all metal, and then down on the bottom, you can see where you're supposed to put your feet, and then it has wheels on it. So, don't mess with it yet.
I can't put my feet on. I can't put my feet on training wheels.
Why not?
Because I don't know how to train.
Oh, it's okay. They're not training wheels. All right.
6.5 hours later.
Oh yeah, zipper time. You got it.
Yay!
And then the next step is to put down the collar over the zipper head so it's not as creepy. You Velcro it in the back. Oh wait, his head then zips that way too. Okay, I'm gonna tighten the zipper there. Put on his head.
Yay!
Hold on.
A few moments later.
This is the seat. Can you climb up on it? Oh, let's have you get on it. Wait, are you 3 years old?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You just made the cut. You sit right here. You put your feet on that thing and you put your hands on here. This is how you direct it, and then you push these things, I think. I think you go back and forth with them. I think. Oh, that's kind of hard.
It's like you're standing up. He has to stand up.
Oh,
like,
so you bounce up and down, like. I think you stand up and then you push down. Maybe.
Okay, turn his head. Turn his head.
Oh, good. There we go. So I think you just go up and down like that, and it's supposed to go. Yee-haw! Yee-hoo!
Yeah, go backwards.
Oh, I don't know how to go backwards. Whoa, okay. All right.
I like this horse.
You like him?
What's his name?
Even though he can barely ride.
Poochie.
Oh, careful! Don't let him walk.
Oh, don't crash the wall. So now it's unicorn time, and let's test it out. Wait, maybe we should test. No, let's do the unicorn first. Let's put that one together, and then we'll test it out and let London try it, because she's older.
I want to try that.
No. 88-pound limit. How much do you weigh?
90.
Missed it by that much.
It's a race. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. You've got it figured out. Okay, I think we need to go outside. I think the horse wants to go out. Look at his nose. He's just smashing the door like, let me out. Okay, London, go for it. Let's see how it works outside. Look at that. You got her. Oh, Brooks, you got it. I like the sound effects. Sound like you're racing on a horse.
So you will crash. Whoa.
What do you think about it?
I think it's a really cute toy that moms would love and kids will love too. And London doesn't like riding her bike with all of her friends, and so she doesn't know how yet, but now she can go out with her unicorn.
I think she would, really.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, she's gonna rock this like all
Okay.
the time. She's gonna rock it.
I think I'd rather have this toy instead.
No,
Yeah.
let's just have
One's
a
a little
whole
better.
herd of unicorns.
Whole herd of unicorns.
I'll ride one.
You'll-
I want a big one. Send me a bigger one, and I'll
Okay.
totally ride it.
So there you go. Maybe this is a new series of responding to emails that may seem strange for free stuff. This is the first in that series. I have about 10 other emails of really interesting or strange products that I may do videos on. Some may be good, some may fail. This one I say is good.
I like this horse.
You like him? So let us know what you think about those. Would you buy something like this? Do you think your kids would like something like this? I don't know, I'm kind of curious to see your thoughts, so let us know. Good sound effects.
One.